matrix. There I was in my room, Wi-Fi bars flickering like a dying star. I whispered, this reality feels buffered. My toes popped up before I pushed it down. My cat just blinked in surround sound. The neighbor waved in perfect sync. I said, bro, I think we're in the link. The sky's too blue, the grass too green. Why's everything running so dang clean? I stubbed my toe, no pain at all. I yelled, this world's not physical. Glitch in the mirror, lag in my spoon. Why does my microwave hum into? Oh no! Unplug the matrix lock. This simulation's wrong. I need the real world back. Where my snacks don't enter restaurant. Unplug the matrix lock. Pull the cosmic cord. I wanna live where grass. Not controlled by a keyboard. Maybe you just need sleep. I slept for 8 hours. That's suspicious. Exactly. NPCs at the grocery store. Same haircut I've seen before. Why's that guy walking into a wall? This game